So, what if I told you the most powerful mini drone ever made is about to take off, and it's so small, it can fit in your jacket pocket? Sounds insane, right? Well, get ready, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not only real, it's arriving sooner than anyone expected. With cutting-edge features borrowed from DJI's flagship models, this could be the drone that changes everything for travelers, vloggers, and aerial creators. Let's dive into why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the holy grail of ultralight drones. First things first, mark your calendars. August 7th. That's the confirmed release date according to trusted insider Jasper Ellens via Dronicle. Yes, DJI is launching this beast much earlier than predicted. Now, this isn't just a minor refresh. Nope. This is a full-on evolution. We're talking about a drone that's been spotted in real-world testing. No prototype stickers, no speculation. One clip even shows a mountain biker literally crashing into it. Don't worry, the drone survived. Let's get technical. The Mini 5 Pro will still feature the folding propellers we all know and love. Lightweight, compact, and whisper quiet. But now, they're backed by larger, vented motors for better wind resistance and flight stability. Whether you're shooting in the breezy hills of Murray or the open beaches of Karachi, this drone should handle turbulence like a champ. And here's where things go. Next level, DJI is adding LIDAR obstacle sensors. That's right, the same advanced obstacle avoidance system from the Mavic 3 and Phantom RTK is now on a drone that weighs less than 250 grams. That means better safety, smarter navigation, even in total darkness. Flying through city streets, tree-filled parks, or poorly lit interiors just became way less stressful. Let's talk battery. According to leaked FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro will come with a massive 33.5 watt-hours battery, almost double the previous model's 18.9 watt-hours. If the Mini 4 Pro gave you 30 minutes of flight time, this upgrade could push things to 60 minutes per charge. That's a full hour of cinematic freedom. For anyone who hikes, travels, or works in remote areas, this is a game changer. And yes, it's still under 250 grams, which keeps it FAA Category 1 compliant. No registration needed in many countries. No paperwork, no worries. Now, for all the camera geeks out there, rumors suggest a larger 1-inch CMO sensor, maybe even 4K at 120 fps slow motion, and possibly an improved DJI OcuSync transmission system for longer range and more stable connections. Think smoother shots, richer colors, better low light, and flawless tracking. Whether you're filming your next YouTube vlog, it's a real estate promo, or just chasing your dog in the park, we also expect enhanced intelligent flight modes, active track, master shots, even better waypoint flying, all optimized to make beginners feel like pros and pros feel unstoppable. Final thoughts, DJI isn't just making another mini drone. With the Mini 5 Pro, they're reshaping what we expect from ultralight UAVs. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, hobbyist, or just drone curious, this might be the most exciting drone of 2025. So what do you think? Will the Mini 5 Pro live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more insider drone content, and hit the bell so you don't miss the full launch coverage. And if you want more sneak peeks and drone comparisons, check out these 2 videos on the screen right now. They'll blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.